So over here, you can see that I have a drawing file. And if you want to download this in different formats, then you can go to File menu right here. You can go to File menu and go to Download over here. So in Download, you can see that there's various formats that you can download the file in. So if you were to download this as a PDF file, then you can click on PDF and the file gets converted into a PDF document, and you get the Explorer right here, which you can just go around and hit save to download this as a PDF file. Similarly, you can go around over here, download this as a JPEG file. So in that case, it is downloaded out as a picture. You can download this as a PNG file, which supports transparency if you need it. And you can also download this as a scalable vector graphics file right here if you want to. So I'm just going to go around and download this. And over here, you can see that it is downloaded in different formats. So if I were to click on this, this is the PDF, as you can see. Now, if I were to click on this one right here, this is opened up as an image file right here, which you can zoom in right here. And you can see that these has been converted into pixels right here. You can click on PNG, and this supports transparency, as you can see, because you don't see white background anymore. And you can also see that it is there as an SVG format right here. So if you were to actually go around and then access this out, you can see that this is in SVG format as well. And this is scalable vector graphics format, which you can import out in other graphic editing software as well if you want to. And that is how you can download out Google Drawings file in different format. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.